Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Lip Smackers Coca-Cola flavor and cup design lip balm. So Coca-Cola is the scented flavor made by Lip Smacker. It's the company. Lip balm inside, and they show you how it kind of works to use it. Net weight is 0.6 ounces or 7.4 grams down there. And good news, lip balm made in the USA. So Lip Smacker is a USA made company. And then back here it says carefree. I don't know how good you can see on camera. But yeah, they don't test on animals. So it's a non-animal tested product, which is definitely, a great thing. Made in the USA. They don't test on animals. Lip Smacker, they looked into be a pretty good company. And then, I don't know how good you could see it here on camera. I'm trying to zoom in. Here, quench your thirst with this Coca-Cola cup lip balm. Twist open and let your senses open up to the world of Coca-Cola. The dome-shaped lip balm delivers the authentic taste of Coca-Cola while providing excellent hydration to your lips. The iconic fountain cup design is sure to make an impression everywhere you use it. Okay, then here they just kind of tell you how to open it up, Twist top of cup edge to loosen base, and then apply a generous amount to your lips. And well, we already know how to apply it to our lips, but yeah, let's open this up. Let's see if there's... Doesn't really look like there's any way to actually cut this open. Okay. So here's kind of what it looks like. So it's Lip Smacker Coca-Cola. Lip Smacker Coca-Cola around both sides. You had the straw. I like how they got the Coke like pop in there, and then they even had the little ice cubes. Would be nice to see perhaps if they come with another design of this. Some ice cubes on top to be like clear plastic to actually look like ice cubes, and like, have some on the bottom be like the dark brownish brass we see. Then some in the middle be like somewhat a mixed color of brown and clear. And then the ones at top to be actually clear, so it looks, a little more realistic, like actual ice in there. But for what they got, it's a pretty nice job. You do have a straw, and the straw is actually solid straw. I thought it was going to be like, a cheap little hollow piece of plastic where there's going to be a little hole in the top, but no. And down here on the bottom, it's nice. They do even include the ounces, like net weight 0.26 ounces or 7.4 grams. That is very nice. So, to open up, you heard that little sound. You just twist, pull, and there it is. I mean, it's a little weird and hard to hold it. That's why they do have the straw here, so you can put a finger on there to try to grip it to hold it. Kind of like, you know, this kind of way. I mean, it's a little awkward of grasping it to hold on to. Oh my freaking god, the scent does smell just like a Coke. It smells just like Coca-Cola. I mean, this is dead on. It grinds on pretty easy, almost a little bit of greasiness. It's not greasy, but the form that they use grinds on a little bit more easy, like to a grease type of lip balm than to other types. The price okay. It doesn't really leave any residue. And by what I mean by, leaves residue, I mean like, let's say you go to grab a glass of pop or water, or if you're vaping, and you grab your vape device, and you go to take a hit off of your vape device, just, anything like that. Like, does it leave any, like, residue lip marks on the device, like, you just applied it, like, 2 seconds ago to your lips? Yes and no. I mean, very likely, but not as, like, other brands and other companies where it's heavy that, you can tell that. Are you sure you applied it to your lip and you just didn't, take it and just rubbed it on the actual glass or, the drip tip of your mouthpiece of your vape device? I mean, you sure you actually put this and rubbed it on your lips? Not on that? So yeah, because other companies, like I said, very greasy, it comes off. This one pretty much stays on your lips. Not really that much Coca-Cola flavoring to it. Scent is there. Cute design is there. Kind of hard and awkward to hold after you, open this up to actually hold this. Kind of a hard design. Now I know some of you might be saying, well, it's a brownish color for the lip balm, so is it going to stain? And I've just been kissing like the back of my hand just to see if it's going to leave like a lip mark residue, like for glass or the drip tips on vaping. Does it have any color to it? Because I mean, you could definitely see it's not a clear design or a milky white. It's designed like how other lip balms are. This one does have a brown color, which we know usually dark color lip balms, they leave like a stain color behind. This one, nope. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Just to kind of prove it to you people, let me reapply this, and I am going to kiss the paper. This way you see what I mean about the residue, lip marks, and the stain color. So I mean, as you can see, it does leave slightly a little hint of a lip mark stain. So there is a little bit of residue, as you can clearly see here. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus a little bit better. So yeah, a little bit of a residue that's been left on the paper. Not that much, not that much. And it does leave slightly a little bit of a brown stain color. So it does stain a little bit and does have some residue, but not as much as I found in other brands and other companies of their lip balms. So this one definitely gets high marks. I mean, no one, it's made in the USA. No two, they don't touch on the animals. It does have a Coca-Cola sign, a nice design, for the container. it applies easy to the lips. Because, I mean, there's like other ones that, you know, when you're in school and you had those push-up, you know, glue sticks, where sometimes they dry out and you're like, and it's like hard to like pull across the paper because they're like dried up. This one, no. And then there's other ones that's like greasy, like vegetable oil, cooking oil, owl oil, you know, it's like really super oily. This one, nope, it's a little bit oily, but in a good way. You know what I mean? But it's not completely dried out, it's just enough. So it applies easily, leaves a little bit of residue, a little bit of a stain color. Doesn't have a Coca-Cola taste to it, but definitely a big Coca-Cola scent to it. Cute design, just a little bit hard to apply after you open it up to apply it to your lips. Kind of hard to grasp it and hold on to it. I mean, if you didn't have the straw or if the straw broke off, well, then my friend, you're pretty much up a creek without a paddle, or in the case, without a straw, which you kind of need to have something for your finger to grip onto to kind of balance it to apply it. Because without the straw, if they just had this Coke cup with ice and not a straw, good luck trying to apply it to your lips, because it'd be a hard hassle. But the straw, it's kind of what holds it together. So yeah, that has been an unboxing review of Lip Smacker's Coca-Cola flavored lip balm. Remember to please subscribe and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.